Current situation, we are just about to head into the Kern River Canyon. We're heading up to Lake Isabella, where hopefully there's going to be enough wind to do some kiteboarding. In addition to the kiteboarding, we're gonna head back down into the canyon after and hit up the hot springs, have some cider that we picked up from Hidden Star. Which is absolutely amazing. Hidden Star, it's a little gem up there in Apple Hill, right? Yeah. By Placerville?
Yeah, Camino.
They had 18 ciders to choose from. They were all really, really good. All right, I'm gonna stop right there. Enough with that. Let's go. We've made it up to the lake. It is definitely smoky. There's a few fires going on in California or throughout California right now. So I didn't think that the smoke would have got here because of the elevation, but sure enough, they have the French fire that's about 98% contained, but it's obviously still affecting the air. Nonetheless, we've made it up here. It's rather calm right now. I'd say maybe about 2 miles an hour of wind, if that, but it's not supposed to be picking up for another hour to 2 hours, which is essentially what we were planning on. That way it gives us time to set up, and then we put the kite up and go. Super stoked with that session right there. The wind was about 10 to 12, and I think there was gusts around 15 to 17. And beyond grateful that Steph was actually able to grab some footage of me out there on the water. This was the first time that I was out by myself and on the water. I've gone 2 times prior to this by myself, but there wasn't enough wind to get the kite up. Well, one time there was just enough wind to get the kite up, but it wasn't strong enough to get me up on the board. So man, I could tell there's a ton of progression just with this first solo excursion. So yeah, super stoked with what's to come. Now we're gonna let the kite dry for a little bit, and then we're going to head back down the Kern River Canyon and check out the hot springs. We're back home. Epic times were had both at Lake Isabella for kiteboarding, then also on the Kern River at the hot springs where we're at. I mean, both at night and in the morning time. Super rad. So yeah, so now we're gonna have to wait patiently to figure out where the next destination will be, because where we're at right now in Central California, the wind tends to die down in the winter time. So we're gonna have to look up where there is adequate wind within the US during the winter. So that's to be continued. Until the next one. Peace! We out.